welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan. Now today's video, we've got to go ahead and set up our October budget in our EveryDollar app. I am on the desktop version. If you missed the October paper and pen budget, I'll link it below so that you can watch it at your earliest convenience. But we're going to go ahead and set up our October budget in the EveryDollar app. Now we do use the free version. There is a paid version, the EveryDollar Plus, where you can link it to your bank account. But we don't use that. We just use the free version of it. So now we're here. It says October 2019. It'll automatically copy September's budget, and we've got to make some changes here, but we'll go ahead and click Start Planning for October. And now we have customized our EveryDollar to fit our actual budget. You can change these headings if you'd like. Just click on them. You can delete them. You can actually move them, up and down. But this is the way we have it for our budget. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed the video along while I plug in these numbers, and then I'll come back and do a recap for you guys. Alright, so I'll see you in a bit. Guys, so this is an EveryDollar budget. We pretty much plugged in everything from our paper and pen budget, and I will show you down here. Another change that I didn't mention in the paper and pen budget is the lawn service. So we just added $10 extra to the lawn service. We were paying $110 per month, which is $55 a cut, and I'm just adding $5 just to see how that works out. We are just kind of, trying to see how the billing is going to be, whether it's going to be per cut or if we're going to get billed once a month. So October should give us a better understanding of our new lawn service way of doing things. All right, now everything else is basically the same. Down here, our household savings. Now the savings at $25, it automatically, we have not spent anything out of these savings funds as of yet, and the savings funds, it automatically totals what your remaining should be at the end of the month. So once the $25 is allocated at the end of the month, it's going to be $100 that's in that actual account. The same with son tuition. It's already totaling the October allocated amount, which is the $150, which means at the end for October, that total balance is $530. Now the vacation is doing the same thing, and many of you know we are going on our retreat/vacation, so we will definitely have to update this, I already know, for the month of October. But right now we do have our planned amount in here, and once we spend out of this account, we'll definitely update it as well. Our HELOC extra payment is here. Now what I did, you cannot, with EveryDollar, the free version anyway, the balance can be updated within that month. So I couldn't go back to September and update, but now that I've created the October, I have updated our HELOC payment balance, which is our ending balance for September. It became our beginning balance for October. And guys, we're just super excited because we are below $5,000, and that is just an awesome feeling. But yeah, this is our every dollar budget, and over here it just kind of gives you our plan and the percentages that we are planning out our income. And this is it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave your questions or comments below, and we will see you guys later. All right, bye.